Okay, hi there, this is Ashik once again before you. So in this video I'm just going to fix a problem like when someone actually upload their photos on the this type of buddyboss or buddypress or social media type website. The image is not showing. Okay, the image is not showing. So how to fix that? Actually, main reason, image not working or not showing. So first of all we need to go to the buddyboss, cause this is the buddyboss theme, and I'm just going to the settings, then I have clicked on it and come to the media file. So I have just clicked on here. Now we need to scroll down and you can see here is actually simple symbolic links is actually open. Okay, so we need to check it out. Okay, we need to uncheck this one and we need to actually create save changes. Perfect. Now if we just refresh this one, then we can see that the image is showing. So that's awesome. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.